Okay, we see a little gray cat underneath the car there. This is the Blizzard, and there's a little piece of chicken right in front of him. I don't think he's eating it, and there's a guy walking by. Okay, this is Boy. Boy has a problem with his tail, and so he's eating some dry food, and it was a piece of chicken, and there's a whole bunch of cats that live underneath the porch right here at this house. The family, as I said in the last video, doesn't seem to care, and I placed the container of food right there, so it really doesn't snow that much. Yeah, maybe some snow if the wind blows will cover it up, so hopefully all the cats will eat it beforehand, and I'll come check out them tomorrow. So Boy, you can't barely see it. Boy's the one with the withering tail. Hey Boy, how you doing? Good boy. And he's still alive. I thought he died, but he's still alive. For some reason, the cats in this area have a lot of problems.